Hey, how's everyone doing? Josh here, Tech. And before we start this video, I just want to make things clear that what we're presenting today is going to be intended for adult smokers. Now, this isn't an endorsement or anything, but if you are a smoker, particularly one who uses heat non-burn devices such as this one, you might want to continue watching this video. What we have here today is a pair of MOK 2.0 devices. But as you may notice, these do come with a cool twist, because these have been specially designed by Grafflex. You may or may not be familiar with this guy, but he's done a lot of different work with some pretty big names, from graphic art to painting, to clothing apparel, and even collectible toys such as this Bear Brick collab over here. And now we have a collaboration with MOK's latest heat non-burn devices. We actually have a hands-on video on MOK's 2.0 series, so if you want to watch that, you can click over here. Now, I'm not gonna lie, there is now a good selection of colors to choose from their official web store. But compared to Grafflex's designs, it just makes them look rather plain. Okay, so part of what you're paying for apart from the MOK device itself is actually here in the box. Grafflex didn't only make sure to make the actual device look good, but as well as in the unboxing experience. In fact, there are two designs he made, each with their own unique touch. The frame edition on the left and the bold edition on the right. For comparison, here's how the normal MOK 2.0 box looks like. Inside, you'll find pretty much the same contents as the original, with some subtle changes such as this hex-shaped cleaning brush kit, as well as a more pocketable charging brick. It still has the same fast charging capabilities though, so that's great. Personally, I like the packaging a lot, especially since it also adds a colorful touch to the room, which I am more than happy to leave just sitting on my windowsill. As for the devices themselves, the designs are directly printed using high-quality ink and varnishes to make sure the bright colors and bold lines of the designs shine through. They're not stickers or anything, so it's really flush all around and won't peel. The artwork on the front and back is also matte in texture, which can also help prevent it from getting scuffed up easily, while the sides are the same glossy and reflective finish, but with a few finishing touches from the artist himself. This special collaboration is grounded on challenging individuals to step out of the mainstream and stand out from the crowd. So if that person is you, then maybe you should check this one out. If you want to add this one to your cart, it's available on their official store in Lazada and Shopee. We'll make sure to leave you guys a link in the description box below. To wrap things up, MOK has been in constant improvement ever since the day they came out with their first model. The 2.0 series have also been great heat non-burn devices that even users such as myself genuinely enjoy. You get decent color choices, yes, but I bet they're not going to be as good looking as these. And that's all we have for you guys today. But as always, what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you guys don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yougetech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Josh, and I will see you guys in the next one.